Sure, this message seen you believe it certainly in Tina. I never to do it the way you do. I am amused by your strong but can souls that way. I cannot stop myself from loving you more and more each day. I miss your hugs. I miss your kisses. Yet above all miss you. The affection I have will be never show signs of change. Regardless of that, excitement is the separations between us. I will love you forever and ever. You are the most delicious chocolate in the world. There is nothing that tastes great as you in this earth. It fast set united. I saw every cells in my body nowhere and one and with each passing day I feel more and more. The more I know about you, the deeper you because impelling in my heart. I am certain that I will love you more even the future. I love you that all is now. I hope that you what I feel will always be they are for you. It is not just for the goodness in time when you celebrating and enjoying life, but also for the toys times when you are the sad drifting out of energy. Just now that I will be your sides and dances with you. A celebration of my princess father today is day like now before a special horse that opens the door to a celebration so pure and grand with joy that spreads across the land. At 7 p.m., the lights will be glow, a greeting of love, a radiating show for all who is care, both near and far, to wish me joy under the star. To my fans, local and true, the celebration is for you. Toy, you are kindness, a gift, and heartful to cheer. Artist, you are what I hold dear, and I am my love, beautiful coin. In your eyes, a sparks unseen, your love is my reached pride, a shining star that never dies. So let you the world witnessing day where laughter and life love their way forever. Good heart blazing to bestow in this God fasting. Let the beauty flow. Let this day be a memory bright, a sprinkling jewel in life light from me for you forever. Souls together in joy complete and whole. You are an angel who has come to my life to make it warmth and meaningful. You are the everything that my heart was looking for. I feel blessed to have you in my life. My heart races every time you myself and I skip a bite when you look at me. The feeling difference from infections as I have never felt this way. Everything you do performedly impacting me. I cannot get over the thought of being with you, my love. How do look my I'm missing you so much because I been waiting for your hour here, but I believe that our sons you are here. I want to you are say beautiful angle you came into my life when I lost expecting it. Never imagined that someone like you can be my world a better place. I am thankful that you are came into my life. Baby, each moment that we shared is a memory. I trust you are the most important person in my life. I believe that meeting and believing together are not exciting even before I meet. I know that your love story had been written. I thank the Lord of the bottom of my heart allowing me to meet up you. I hope you feel every day important. You are me. Love can defining in my different ways. However, definitions I have for it different. I will take beyond a lifetime to explaining how deep my feeling for you. I just wanted to know how special mean to me. You are my sunshine on a cloud day, and I love you more with every passing moment. Your love is the sweet things I've never known, and I am so grateful for you. You are the love of my life, and I will crashing you for me. Every moment with you is a moment I trust you. Are I love you more than you ever now. You are the reason of my heart, full of love and happiness. I love you more with every bite of my heart, and I will never stop loving you. You make me life sweetheart just be being into it. I love you more than anything. I wished on a star one night, wish to have a past and star to carry. I don't know what am I came to you Who's the persons I wish for you? When you seeing a flying stars tonight, make a wish. It will come true because I wished and found you.